Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to reset your V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera. If you're experiencing connectivity issues or need to restore the camera to its factory settings, this tutorial will help you reset the device in just a few minutes. We'll show you where to find the reset button, how long to hold it, and what to expect during the reboot process. After the reset, you'll be ready to set up your camera again with the V380 Pro app. Follow along for a quick and easy solution. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera. Resetting the V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera is often necessary to resolve issues like lost connectivity, forgotten passwords, or software glitches that prevent the camera from functioning properly. It restores the device to its factory settings, clearing any configurations or bugs that may be causing problems. A reset can also be required when switching to a new Wi-Fi network or if the camera needs to be paired with a different device. By resetting, you ensure a fresh setup, helping to eliminate technical issues and improve overall performance. So let's start the process. First of all, locate the reset button. The reset button is usually found on the side or bottom of the camera. It may be a small pinhole that requires a pin or a needle to press. Ensure that the camera is plugged in and turned on. Now use a pin or a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You may hear a voice prompt or see the indicator light flash, signaling that the reset process has begun. After releasing the button, wait for the camera to reboot. It will return to factory settings. Note, once the V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera device has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by V380 Pro app. Now reset process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.